Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, General Officers, participants, representatives of friendly countries, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. It is my immense pleasure to be amongst you at the closing ceremony of the first International PACES Competition 2016. This landmark event has brought together participants from 18 leading armies of the world. As a unique competition of its kind, the occasion is an opportunity to promote mutual cooperation and brotherhood. Today, Pakistan stands more integrated with the rest of the world than ever before, with such events as a fine example. As the participants must have experienced, PACES is designed to demand a high level of combat efficiency, which is essential for the challenges of modern warfare. It is heartening to find that all competitors displayed a very high standard of sportsmanship, physical fitness, and determination to give their best. This amply reflects the degree of emphasis adopted by modern armies on individual physical fitness and combat readiness of the troops in the face of evolving nature of warfare. I congratulate all the participants, especially those who have excelled in various events, and hope that this experience will enhance your passion for battle worthiness. More than this, I hope you have relished the environment and the excitement of competing under challenging conditions. Ladies and gentlemen, physical agility and combat efficiency system of Pakistan Army has proven its effectiveness during the recent fight against terrorism. Our troops confronted insurmountable challenges that called for extreme endurance and constant vigilance. Our success against terrorism owes immensely to the physical strength and mental robustness of our officers and men. This, coupled with sincerity of purpose and clear direction, contributed heavily towards fortifying their will and morale during intense and demanding operations. I have always believed that it is the disposition of the soldier that determines the outcome of the battle. Pakistan Army is trained to constantly uphold its soldierly attributes of courage, character, and competence to fulfill the trust reposed by the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, Operation Zarb-e-Azb is an example of war for peace, which is bringing stability and prosperity to Pakistan and the region. Today, our brave men can tell the world with pride that by eliminating terrorist networks from the far reaches of Pak-Afghan border, an environment of peace and prosperity is flourishing. Having overcome the heartless enemy, we are set to march forward on the road to progress. Dear participants, I believe you must have enjoyed the beauty and serenity of Pakistan and the hospitality of our people. Your presence is a mark of our everlasting friendship. I earnestly hope that your stay in Pakistan has been comfortable and you will carry pleasant memories back home. First International PACES competition has been a great success. We look forward to holding such events in future as well, and I am sure that we will see even larger and more diverse participation. On behalf of Pakistan Army, I once again extend my gratitude to the delegates for their participation and my compliments to the organizers, especially IGT&E, and Commander 4 Corps for holding this international event in a praiseworthy manner. I thank you all. Pakistan Army Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.
ख्यालात का इजहार कर रहे थे जनरल राहील शरीफ साहब, और उन्होंने भरपूर तारीफ़ की तमाम नेशंस की और इस इवेंट की, और साथ साथ यकीनन पाकिस्तान आर्मी ने जिस डिसिप्लिन से ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया इस इवेंट को वो काबिल तारीफ़ है। और बड़ी तादाद में यहाँ फोर्ट्रेस स्टेडियम लाहौर में शायकीन